Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a brand new budget category product to show you all. It's a very affordable RGB gaming mouse that comes with some damn good features and is awesome for playing games like Pubg or Fortnite. This mouse is made by Redgear and the model is X12 Pro gaming mouse. It costs less than 800 rupees and has fully customizable RGB lighting as well as DPI levels. You've got some of its features here, let's check them out. It's got onboard memory, can change between 16.8 million colors, has an Avago sensor, arm-on switches, built-in 20 grams counterweight, 6 macro buttons and 1000 Hz polling rate. Wow, the specs look really promising and here's the picture of the mouse on the front. Let's see what else is written on the box. Okay, you've got the specs at the backside. The X12 Pro comes with 6 programmable buttons on it and is equipped with a Avago 3050 gaming grade sensor. It also has on-the-fly adjustable DPI and onboard memory to save your custom profiles. So those were some of its highlights. There's nothing else written on the box except some pictures of the product. So let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Redgear for sending me this product for review. Let me just cut the seal on the box. Alright, here we go. So inside we've got another box. I guess the mouse is in there. Let me just keep it aside and then we'll open it and check out the product. So on opening the box, we've got the mouse at the top. Comes nicely packed like this. We'll just check it out in a moment. Along with that, you get a CD in the box, must be for the drivers, and a user manual. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So these were all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the mouse. So here it is guys, Redgear's X12 Pro Budget RGB Gaming Mouse. Wow, it looks decent. It's got an ergonomic design, looks sleek and has a smooth matte finishing at the top. You've got the Redgear logo here that glows in RGB and the lighting effects on it are also fully customizable using a software. Going to the top, you got 2 left and right clicks equipped with arm-on switches, an RGB illuminated scroll wheel in between them and has this nice rubbery design on it to give you that extra grip while using it. And below that we've got a DPI adjust button. The DPI is adjustable from 200 to 4000. Going to the left side, we've got 2 more buttons here which are set as forward and backward by default. That's it, so these are all the buttons on it. It's got a total of 6 buttons and all of them are programmable. Let me show you the bottom side. So this is how it looks like. You've got the Redgear X12 logo here, an Avago 3050 gaming grade IR optical sensor and some PTFE mouse feet at the top and the bottom part. So that was our overview on the design. The X12 Pro also comes with built-in 20 grams counterweight to offer a good control over it while gaming. And yes, it's a wired gaming mouse. Let me show you the cable quality. It's got a high quality nylon braided cable with a standard length of 1.8 meters and has a USB 2.0 cable at the end. It's a plug and play mouse so you can even use it without installing any drivers. But by installing the driver software you can do a lot more like customize the DPI levels, change the RGB lighting effects, set up macros and onboard profiles. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll connect it to my PC and show you how it looks like. Alright guys, I'm back and this is how the Redgear's X12 Pro budget gaming mouse looks like. The mouse looks really nice for the price. It's got an ergonomic ambidextrous design and offers a good in-hand feel. Not only the Redgear logo at the back, but even the scroll wheel is RGB illuminated. And both of them can be fully customized with its software. Coming to the comfort, the mouse feels very comfortable to hold and is designed in such a way to fit perfectly in your palm. It's not that big, not too small, has an ideal size. And all the buttons on it are also easily accessible. The front left and right buttons are equipped with arm-on switches which guarantee a lifetime of around 10 million clicks. The quality of the buttons is nice, they provide tactile and clicky feedback. The scroll wheel quality is also nice, feels smooth and grippy. Talking about the DPI, you can adjust the DPI on the go using this button and it has a range of 200 to 4000. By default it's got 4 levels and each level is set as 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. If you don't want these values, you can even apply different DPI levels from the software. So those are all the different buttons on it. Now let me just play a game and tell you about the gaming experience. Let's play Pubg and see how it performs. This mouse was actually doing a really good job. I've seen a lot of mice under 1000 rupees and was not that satisfied. But this one over here is pretty nice. It's got a high quality optical sensor, has a polling rate of 1000 Hz and a max acceleration of 20G. All these features coupled with 6 programmable buttons offer excellent gaming experience on a budget. Even after gaming for more than 30 minutes, my hands didn't get tired. The mouse was quite comfortable for long time gaming. But what I felt was the left and right buttons were a bit hard to press. Now that's because it's got a unibody design. The buttons are integrated in the body. That's why the actuation force and the travel distance required is a bit higher compared to the mouse with separate button design. But again, considering the price, I think this is the best you can get in this budget. It's jam-packed with features. So that was my review on Redgear's X12 Pro RGB gaming mouse. It's an awesome mouse to play games like Pubg and Fortnite on a budget. It's got high quality Omron switches, a Vago gaming sensor, programmable buttons with macro functions, and the best part is, it's also RGB. The only thing I felt was the build quality could have been slightly better. It looks a bit plasticky. But again, considering the price and the features it offers, you can't complain much. It costs only around 799 rupees and is definitely worth the price. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.